Hello everyone, welcome to the third chapter of WPS Word. Let's get started. In the first section, we're going to learn how to set columns. When we typeset the document content, what should we do if we want to divide the content into columns? Columns are a function of page layout. Its location is at page layout column. It can be divided into 1 column, 2 columns, and 3 columns. Or you can click more columns to see more settings. By default, the width of each column is equal. To set the width of each column is not equal, first uncheck the Equal Column Width button and then modify separately. The spacing is the gap between columns, which can be adjusted. Check the line between to add a line at the spacing of each column. There are 2 options to apply to: the whole document and this point forward. Suppose we divide the whole document into 2 columns. Select the whole text and click 2 columns, and you will see the effect. This is the end of this section. Thank you.